My 2-minute conviction this week: as leaders, we need to practice the superpower of forgiveness and try and avoid nourishing vengeance. A famous Gallup poll said 93% of people believe in the power of forgiveness, but only 85% know how to do it. I find it extremely hard. It's almost like deciding to forgive is a moment in time, but the process of letting go and thoroughly forgetting can take weeks and months. Here's 3 quick thoughts. Number 1, condemn and call out the wrong behavior. Don't pretend there wasn't an offense or an injustice. Number 2, in extending forgiveness, you're releasing the other person from wrongdoing and liability. It's a self-renunciation to your rights. But number 3, I'm comfortable letting natural consequences have effect to hopefully negatively reinforce their wrong behavior and prevent repeat occurrences. There's my 2-minute conviction. Practice forgiveness. You'll be healthier for it.